India's internet population is less than 10%. Although mobile penetration in India is more than 50%, general information infrastructure is poor. More than 90% of the schools have no internet connectivity. Almost all panchayats have no internet access. According to the government, broadband has reached the block level. But connectivity has not reached beyond this. The government has passed a scheme to connect all panchayats to the internet through fiber optic lines within the next 3 to 4 years. But this will take time. Wireless networking is an accessible, cost-effective solution to the challenge of connectivity in remote areas. The central government of India has allotted a free spectrum to be used to connect communities. Using those spectrum, one can establish Wi-Fi network, and the same could be reached up to more than 50 kilometers at an affordable cost by connecting node to node using wireless mesh network methodology. The Digital Empowerment Foundation with Internet Society has established a flagship initiative, Wireless for Communities, to create an integrated ecosystem for establishing and sustaining wireless network for benefiting communities in remote areas. The project also envisages to create adequate capacity to learn, train and manage wireless network. Phase 1 of the Wireless for Communities project kicked off in 2010. In the first phase, the Wireless for Communities project trained over 50 people in wireless networking across Chanderi in Madhya Pradesh, Tura in Meghalaya, Tehri in Uttarakhand and Guwahati in Assam. This included practical training of how to install the network and manage them. We completed our first installation in Chanderi, where the wireless network Wi-Fi is now accessible within a radius of 15 kilometers for more than 3,000 weaver families among others. In particular, 13 local schools in Chanderi, including 2 madarsas, are connected to the wireless network where the entire children and teaching community enjoy internet and e-learning assets. Besides, at Chanderi's Public Health Center, telehealth system has been established to provide online consultancy to the local patients and get adequate diagnosis. And the weaving community uses the network for e-commerce, designing and coordinating with clients of Chanderi saris across India and the globe. The wireless network has benefited the international travelers to be connected promptly, as Chanderi is also a huge destination for tourists. In the phase 2 of the project, we have created 3 new networks in the Garo Hills of Tura in Meghalaya with Saharia tribal women of Bhavanwargarh in Baran district in Rajasthan and Barefoot College in Thilonia in Rajasthan. Thilonia Wireless Network is supposed to connect each and every panchayat of Silora block, facilitating diverse activities like National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, Right to Information and other citizen services through e-governance. Besides making wireless for communities as last-mile seamless connectivity and infrastructure, it also costs significantly affordable. The Wireless for Communities project is an initiative to provide access to all, right to information for all, and equal opportunity to all. The initiative will also serve as model for the government as how to set up wireless connectivity for the last mile at a lower cost and create village-level internet service providers. W4C has also been expanded in other countries in South Asia. In Bangladesh, the Wireless for Communities project partnered with D.net to organize its first workshop and trained about 15 youth in networking. In Bhutan, we conducted training in Thimphu with Read Bhutan, where 18 participants availed wireless training. In the next phase, we are focusing on creating and leveraging compelling content and services in the most remote areas of India. E-learning, broadcasting basic information, and cost-effective community engagement for health, livelihood, education, training, and using e-commerce as alternative medium to do business. In Phase 3, the wireless networks will expand in many more areas, and the currently functional networks will facilitate efficient delivery of government services to local communities through access to the network. In each community, the Wireless for Communities project is partnering with local community radio stations to spread awareness in local languages and thus increase access to W4C services. In the long run, the Wireless for Communities project is committed to serve the communities around 14 CIRCs that DEF established in India. We are also trying to create a case for advocacy to the government to adopt economical wireless mesh networking as an alternative connectivity option using free spectrums.